You won't believe this. AI just helped me finish my homework. How cool is that?
That's awesome. But hey, do you know what generative AI actually is? It's like a super smart robot brain that can create things, like stories, pictures, poems, or answers, just from the words you type.
Wow. So it's like having a super smart helper.
Yep. Want to know some fun and healthy ways to use AI?
Yes, please.
Here's what I do. 1. Homework helper. Hey AI, can you explain how plants grow? 2. Story ideas. Give me 3 characters for a bedtime story. 3. Learning a language. Teach me 5 Spanish words for food.
Ooh, I can use that for my art project and learning French.
And to keep it healthy, just follow these 4 steps. 1. Set a timer. Limit AI sessions to 15 to 20 minutes. 2. Define your goal. Start with, I'm asking AI to. 3. Verify facts. Check answers in a book or with a teacher. 4. Balance it out. Mix AI time with offline fun, draw, read, or play outside.
Timer, goal, verify, balance. Got it.
When your brain feels fuzzy or you lose focus, remember the steps we talked about in the other video.
AI is awesome when I use it with a plan and give my brain a rest.
Exactly. Remember, learn, create with AI, verify with real sources, and always take breaks.